Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the app is fully updated and your device meets the basics. Once done, enable NFC and location so contactless payments and nearby features work reliably. Sign into Google Pay with your Google account and verify your phone number. This ties your identity to the app. Then open the app, tap the new home banner, and choose Add or Link to start adding a card or bank account. This is the first actionable step to get payments ready. Next, add a payment method and follow the updated flow, which shows clearer choices for card, bank, or UPI depending on your region. Use the camera to scan your card for speed or enter details manually. Make sure billing address and name match your bank records. Once submitted, complete verification. This could be an OTP, 3D Secure Challenge, or bank app approval. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. Successful verification ensures seamless. Finally, set your preferred default card and review spending settings and rewards so transactions use the right account. To pay in stores, unlock and tap your phone at the terminal. For online or in-app, tap the Google Pay button and confirm. If a transaction fails, first make sure NFC is enabled and the terminal accepts contactless. Next, verify you passed bank limits or holds, and if needed, remove and re-add the payment method. This simple retry often resolves lingering verification or tokenization.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.